Welcome again today. So today we are going to do a craft aeroplane. Okay, and Summer is back here again today. What happened to you?
I fell down from the
Yeah, Summer fell and she injured her hand.
and we got to the hospital.
Yes.
Mommy gave me pasta food
Yes.
and water.
Yes, so she has been off. That's why she hasn't been drawing
Yeah, that's
or
Daddy.
doing any craft with me.
Daddy did it. That's only Daddy did it.
Yes. So today we are going to. So welcome back, Summer. Today we are going to do craft.
Yeah, my hand is not hurting me anymore.
Okay, that's good. Let's start. So this is an A4 size paper. Okay. So what we are going to do now is I want you to identify the middle of this paper. Just get the middle like this. Get the edge. Are you getting it?
Yeah, something in it.
You sure it's in line? Then you fold it. Well, is it fine? Okay. Alright, so open it up now. Open it up. Okay, so at the middle here, you fold this one. At the top, you fold it. No, fold it to get to this mark. Fold it to this point at the middle where you made a mark at the middle. So you see that I did it at this middle point. Okay, you have it there.
Yeah.
Then you do this other one as well to come to that point also.
Now spread them.
Do you get it?
Yes.
Press the edges very well so that they will be smooth and strong. Yeah. And just hold the edge and slide your hand over it so that it will be strong. Good. Then what we're going to do next is turn it around like this, turn it like this, turn it over.
So,
Good. And let's bring it like this.
Daddy, it looks like a house.
Yeah, it also looks like a house. Then from this tip, just turn it again to get this edge. Hold the edge at this edge and then you bend it at that edge like this. So put your hand there and bend at that edge and then make it touch each other like this before you press it down and then you smooth it out. Okay, yeah, let me smooth that line. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is to
We're gonna stick it on it. We're gonna stick out aeroplanes.
again, no. I'm not going to stick out the airplane. So what we're going to do next is from this edge again. This way. Always make it be at the center so that your friends will see. Okay. So from this edge, you just bend this over to come like this. Okay, like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, just press your hand from here. And then you bring it down until this edge, wait, don't press it, until this edge touches here. So do that. Can you do that now? Bring it until it touches. Good. Then you press it out and smooth everything. Smooth it to the end.
What is this?
Okay. So that's mine. Let me smooth out mine to the end. Okay. Then let's do the same again. See what that is going to do now. I'm going to repeat. No, it's not ready yet. It's not ready. So, see, that is straightening this one again. The second time. Okay, alright, so this daddy has done his own side. Can you do yours? Let's see. So, can you bend this and straighten it? Bend it again. From the tip here. Hold the tip here. Hold the tip. And then the bend. Okay. And get this edge. You have to get the edge like this. Perfect. Perfect.
Why are you not doing it?
Yeah, press it down. Okay? Yeah. That's awesome. You have to press it. And it's a little bit thick paper. Then we turn the other way. Turn this other way. We do the same here. Okay, can you start with yours? Hold the edge here. You can see that it helped you before, so you can do it your own now, by yourself now. So, can you do that? Yeah, get it to be in line. Good. Oh, it's in line. It's not in line yet. Get it to be in line. Alright, so you can stretch it. Wow, that's nice. Okay,
What can we do now?
then the second one again. Let's still bend it once again.
Maybe we have to put it like this again.
Yes, you have to bend it again. Alright, so again at this point. Okay. So, where are you now? This is one you've done before. Here we are. Okay. Alright, so can you bend it again? This edge, start from here and get it to be in straight line. Perfect. And you have to move this edge. Oh, I'm assisting you. That's okay. It's the first time you're making an aeroplane. So can you straighten your aeroplane? No, this is it. Woo. This is Summer's aeroplane. Let's fly it. So we are going to fly it. Let me see your own. Let me see yours. Put it down. Oh, like this. All right. So let's go. Throw it this way.